20% more. Hello. So, I want a demo trade. This is a demo. I want to now. Nice. So, okay, 10 push-ups done, done. Okay, great. Just open, 8:30 open. So we inverse this 15-minute. That doesn't mean we are bullish. That does mean we have levels higher. So we equilibrize and go down here. Look at this. Wow. It's going to my full TP. Great. Yeah, TP hit. We have convention until this level here on the equilibrium of the 4-hour wick. So let's just hide it for now and see what is on here. This is a MD area, so we are trading inside this area on this entire region. So that does mean that we have potential to the downside. Yeah, we tap into a full TP, but we didn't take it on our real account. This is just a demo account, and this is a paper trading account. And look at this. This was break even. This got break even when tapping this region. So this was a 930 high. So this would be a sensitive zone. We still have a previous day low sitting below us. So I don't believe this will be our final draw, but mm, this could be our final draws. We tap into this equilibrium. This is the next sensitive zone we have. So we can just remove this from here. I said that we inverse this 50 minutes, but even though we are still bearish because overall we are bearish structure and we have draws, obvious draws below us, so obviously some of them actually took this trade most probably to equilibrize with this 1 hour gap. Most there's a good chance that can this happen. And let's see how news going on here. Yeah, the 730 high AM still it is looking like a good liquidity pool above us. So this is a through the opening range in 7 AM low highs. It's a 930 AM. This 930 yes 930 high is a definitely a good sensitivity. Mm. Most most okay this one here okay. This high here very sensitive. If market doesn't go from there. Looking to five to get equilibried and yeah. But this doesn't matter now. It's just remove this everything. Let's just hide this feed for now. We are definitely bearish bias because intraday bearish is because we are inside this we turn this is 4 hour gap. Then we rejected with a great week. Then we closed like a clean doji. And on 1 hour we closed this 1 hour gap. Then we traded into this level and then we closed below this region. So yeah, definitely I will bearish structure that most probably these are our two goals. And we didn't check the forex factor yet. Anything I don't see anything. Yeah, we have a 8:30. We have news. We see news. Finish here one. How bad news will be into this region? Then we get a animation. It's a 1 hour. FEB. Okay. And suddenly going downside. This could be a level that we can expect a manipulation and to the run to the upside. So what it is level? This is a random law that we already have the SMDB that is for a law. I think this is the difference is 14 3 14. Yeah, we didn't get this sweep, but I think we got the inversion here. Look at this level here. But didn't we still been inverse? We have this movement to get here inverse to go long. I mean, if we sweep this, we will get assembly with that previous law. So that obviously it is like inside this Kohler gas. So we can obviously look for a good setup to that side. I think we are kind of we got a great rejection and we have good liquidity pool above us. So and this 930 already taken. 930 got taken. So I don't know about this. Eventually had this. Yeah, we didn't take any liquidity. Other than this one, we still have the daily low below us. So obviously, we want to deliver into that. Great liquidity, especially the 7 a.m. high. So if want, we can take that. We have a good reaction on the one cover. Everything is perfectly aligned. Actually, I like to take this trade if we invest this three in it, but I don't know. We have this daily low here, so we are very, very bullish. So most likely, I like to short from uh, to these areas. Yeah, we are definitely respecting this front line also. So there is a high chance we will just drip through everything and just continue to the downside. So um, what do you think? Do you really want to long if we get this? No, I don't want to. But I don't want to any of that means we still want if we want a short, we have no confidence anywhere at any time. All we have here is this 1 hour only. You can just use and trust it. It's the greatest rejection I've seen in a while. So maybe this is it, ma'am. This is the minimum that we are respecting. We invest, we are going to close the 15 minutes in few minutes. So let me wait for a second before I take any down decisions. I don't want a short here because we printed LR there and without and nowhere anywhere inside any keys also. I like to wait. If even if it goes higher, it will go just like this 1 hour. I mean, it's always on. I believe it will go. And if I take this trade, I should at least put my SL here, there. So I don't want any of this. Finish 9:30 complete for 200 for 7. Here I took in a liquidity. What I need is it to just put here and take it or and just continue to the downside. And we will take the previous lows. Okay, that's it. We determined our bias for now and just need to wait what's going to happen. We close this 15 minutes. The inverse is doing it yet. This is a resistance zone and still I believe we can go now. Yeah. Yes, what is happening? No idea. It's for sure. So we're done for the day. Now it's a model. Just made a lot of money. So let's go. So Doji took the screenshot I mentioned before the open. So We are out of such time before the New York Open, so that's why we took this. It's against our rules. News at 10 a.m. Open. Actually, this is a clean. We have assembly with these highs. 830, 830 highs. We have a great close. This could be a possible shot. I not don't know exactly, but if you are not going to rebound from here, I think this is the shot. Oh. I don't want to take this trade. It's not my A plus plus setup. This is just A setup. You can definitely target the daily low. Um, yeah, break even time here. This should be a break even by now because we got assemblies with this low. Ah, what is that? Yes, will drop in few minutes. No. We got break even. There's a red folder news, I think. Where is that? Yeah, in 4 minutes. Constant good results by 1, 2, 3. So I don't know if we have a no chance probability to get a red one. Or no change at all. What do you to expect? Hey, what's up, guys? We made an update to the software. Most of you have probably already seen it, but before, when you wanted to use it, you always had to give workspaces, and then you had to create a workspace, and then put a workspace, and sometimes the page is old. Let's see. We just made it much faster. If you're here, overview, you can either use the AI here directly, or you just go here to AI chat. And that's what I recommend, especially if you're just doing Pine script. It will be a great if you take this trade. Wonderful. All right, ladies and gentlemen, not my typical model I take, but I just made back my loss 2 times from yesterday. As you can see, I'm up about 10K right now. Doji took this trade also, man. What the fuck? What is he doing? It's not really Doji took this trade as the same as mine. First, okay. Right trade, the less I try to be right. I saw it hourly. I saw the results here below. I basically got out and we tapped the trend line, higher time frame, and yeah, just it shows power risk management. So thank you guys. But he put the anthem. If you Yeah, look at what is happening, man. Crazy. This is 53. So let's see what is 50. What is 50? So this is for 15. So that is already one true. And this law is like 2-1. Whereas this is 2-1. So okay. This is the 2-1 kind of thing. So if we take this, that means we take this here. Like we said, we are going to run through this, in my opinion. Probably we are going to run through this. What Doji did was he just put here. His stop loss was right here, I think. Yeah. Appreciate it. We got complimentary as well that day yesterday, but yeah, we will get that. It took COVID around, yeah, okay. I don't know. Maybe this is not the same trade as. Oh, so this is the trade used to. Yes, okay. This was the trade. This is the trade. So same as we could do is two trades are the only trades that we have to get.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. I stand before you to the long pending demand for Kerala regarding All India Institute of Medical Sciences. So Kerala, in one voice, from the government of Kerala to the opposition, to the all the MPs, to all the MLAs, to the 14, to all the 14 districts, 941 panchayats, 67 municipalities, 6 corporations, together in one voice, Kerala has been demanding from India Institute of Medical Sciences. Kerala, with the high density of population, with aging population, with the high spread of non-communicable diseases, Kerala deserves an all India medical institute, sir. And also, so with the highest technology limited, with the medical research facility being limited, with the new latest innovation being limited, Kerala ought to have been given to him, sir, with lot of expectations. We waited for him, sir, but we were given Ama, sir. Sir, Honorable JP Naggaji is here. Honorable Union Minister from Kerala, Great Union Sir is here. So, sir, Honorable Union Minister Suresh Gopi was here till now. Last year over. This AIMS issue, even he's been emotionally taken. That's why he has left the house, sir. Because that was his also long pending demand which the government has not considered. Sir, Kerala, if there are 22, over 22 AIMS in India, sir. Delhi has AIMS, Uttar Pradesh has 2 AIMS, Madhya Pradesh has AIMS, Odisha has AIMS, AIMS, Chhattisgarh has AIMS. The list goes on and on and on and on, sir. Kerala is also part of India, sir. Kerala is part of India. We are very much part of India. So AIMS, something like AIMS, when we are asking Kerala പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചത് ഒരു ഓൾ ഇന്ത്യ ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ഓഫ് മെഡിക്കൽ സയൻസ് ആണ് ഇവിടെയുള്ള എല്ലാവരും ഒരു ശബ്ദത്തിലാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ എയിംസിന് വേണ്ടി ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടത് പക്ഷെ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ആമയാണ് തന്നത് സാർ ആമയെ
No change.
So, so when we are
You
asking
are explaining rejection from this area. That's
what is it that we have done everything, whatever is required, how can state be interested in making demand, like taking a demand for an aims? So we request, I wholeheartedly request from the bottom of my heart to Honorable Union Minister JP Naggaji to have, and also the government to provide an aims, a world-class facility for Kerala by establishing an aims in the interest of people of Kerala, sir. Jai Hind.
I took this trade, it will just become a pattern trade like no, it's just divert to the one we are going to if we are going to invoke this stone here. We can openly say that we have a 5 minute above so mm, I think we need to invoke this 5 minutes or 3 minutes to get a trade. Yeah, what a reaction from you. Just to invoke this 5 minutes. If the previous day lows and tap into this one, how essentially sound like the angry for a good reaction of that lava. Is there a good reason that we should shift our bias? Not yet. Does we have a good structure to shift our bias? Yeah, kind of. Like we have this London highs sitting there, and we have this today opening range of 795. That is not full on mitigated, and we still have gap liquidity here. So, reversal from here is Apples and here is eight trades. It not depends upon how much momentum we get this from this area. So you know into that level, still like we want to invest is fine to get that perfect reshape a little bit. Now this equal highs here. Look at this equal high. Look at this equal highs. Perfect. I like to get the frame to work. Apparently from that 1 hour time. I think this stuff here. And also 30 seconds of this probably fine, but what we are missing here. Train it too. I will enter on a 3 minute, so let's wait. Because 3 minute looks so convincing than 5 minutes. Structurally, this 3 minute is better, and it's better to end up above this area also. When it was a 5 minute, we still have Your opportunity is short. If this displacement to the downside is strong enough, we can plan a solid short also. So now this is necessary to wait for this line at also. So now the frame reversion is not only necessary, this final process. Always believe the higher time frame, the right is we consolidate, we manipulate, we are distributing to the upside in my humble personal opinion. So I am manipulator and we definitely wanted to go higher. It's not this kind here. That's 930. Nice. Only one here is a drainage investment downside. So the wait for that. This is 845. So the reason, let's see the reason if there is no reason to do this. Perfectly all right. All right. You have to wait because these are those okay. Yeah, it's looking good. This is a trade, a plus trade. That is unmitigated. We talked about the unmitigated one her. You know, another thing we lack is moment. Uh, 9 p.m. news. Oh, the news 15-minute open in 6 seconds. 15 minutes just open. So that's that. No upward. So I really want to try it now. Not exactly, but what we have here is we have equal height or anything perfectly aligned, just the rest. Perfect V-shaped recovery, but we are now waiting for a good payment or final close. Hi.
നിങ്ങളാണ്
അമ്മ ഇപ്പൊ വരത്തില്ല അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ആൽവിന്റെ അടുത്ത് പോകണം അങ്ങനെയാ കഴിക്കുന്നത് ഇത് കഞ്ഞിക്കുഴിയാ പോയാ കഴിക്കുന്നത്
എന്തടാ ഈ വയറിറക്കമുള്ളൂ എന്നിട്ട് നാളെയും ക്ലാസ് ചെയ്യാതിരിക്കാനല്ലേ
ആ ക്ലാസ്സിലൊക്കെ പോവുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യും എനിക്ക്
പുറത്തുനിന്ന് കഴിക്കണ്ടായിരുന്നു
ഓ ഇത് ചുമ്മാ വരുന്നില്ല ചിക്കൻ പീസ് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ കാരണം കഴിക്കുന്നത്
ആ ഓക്കെ
ഓക്കെ they like momentum here. That is only. It's like we got a gap here, from here. It's like we can't short. First thing what we can hear is a rejection from that. A good and great displacement closing through this. Do we get anything? It's a weak gap, 5 minute gap, but still, there's no reason to long. So, should I just shut the fuck up and let's look for yeah. This is a sensitive zone, and I like to short this area. We formed a great sunlight here. I don't know long or short. Let's watch some reels and chill. Some people pay about $2,000. All right, more short guys. I did have to take some paper, but I entered my options account. I made about $2,000. Yeah, Doji took that trade that we mentioned earlier. Same trade of that. Here, trade of it was down at the time, so. Now, regarding this trade, okay, it was woman interest. There was a full block, it's 9 high. It was very bearish today because I was continuing from yesterday. So I took the woman inverse in OB, and I did not go break even for options. But let's say I took this on futures and I went break even, there was another 30-second re-entry down that could have just taken, and as long as you have the drop there. So beautiful, beautiful play. If you guys saw this, it was very obvious. It was clean, and yeah. All right, one more short, guys. I did have to take. We got that bullish momentum that we expected, but I'd like to go long from here. Yeah, decent trade, but I don't want to take it from the right account. Yeah, I will long this trade from here. If we close above this line, that's going just mark. And we only took the 930 highs, not here. Without that, the 5 minute will close in few seconds, so let's see that also. I'm risking $20 for my trade here. Okay. Again, that would close. I will take this. At the 5 minute close. I'm risking $20. I bought this, even though I didn't like that close, but I bought this. My stop is around this level. My TP is there. I put my TP here. Do you want to go break in any of this region? I don't think so. I don't see any reason we should go break even until we get to mitigate this first. I think we will get that someday with this size soon enough, so let's just keep an eye on it, just in case. This 2-day open range and this 9:30 open but with sector, that is scary to see, but just need to watch the find money to us. I like to see I like to see happen. I like to see 5 minutes already bullish. 5 minutes already bullish. We don't know what could happen next, but we know what will happen next. We don't know what will happen next, but we know something will go. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. We got to go to snow. We got to go to road that leads up. Who are we to judge? Who are we to judge? Who are we without the inversion of the snow? And is it a good inversion? Definitely. No, it's anything I will go. I don't care if 15 minutes is going to rip us through, but man, the film is rejecting from nowhere. What the fuck? 30 minutes is closing in like 42 seconds. What the fuck? Definitely, we should mark this out because that can be our inversion. So, okay, both of these things. There is no 30 minutes here, so it's okay. This is our break-even point now. So, you like it or not, If I am not getting stopped out, I am going to get break even here. And we have sole reason to do that also. Let's open this 30 minutes. 30 minute leave a week. Most probably we will take this as a man. I don't like this type of shit. Fast trade on funded will stopping out in 3, 2, and 1. I don't see it. What is happening, man? I don't know what is happening. We just we are bouncing off here, like ding 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 ding. Not getting stopped out, not getting. My stop is around here, okay? Like they are just bottom chilling it. Yeah, we just opened the 9 new 30 minutes. We are forming a doji here. I don't know. When I record this shit. What is this? Kissing the kissing the stop loss and pranking me. What type of is this? Oh, great. You got stopped out. Congratulations on my first trade. Ended up in a loss. Fucking great loss. You really won. This is a great trade in my opinion. If the inverse of this level also, okay? Why did I long? Who knows? So okay, I'm done. The reason for the shot is a bad shot because, like, where are we delivering? Nowhere. Delivering from where? Nowhere. Literally nowhere. That is a thing about 30 minutes that most likely you will see like red, green, 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 red, green, red. Especially on your section. On 30 minutes, on your section, most probably red, green, something like that. So Sometimes journal and move on. Saturday. It's back. Yeah, lost around $14. Let's check that. I rest around $20, but it's still only $14. Yeah, $14. There was now. Inverse was final inversion, and there was a 3 minute inversion. Great. And there was also a 1 minute confirmation of that. So. Then which model is this? This is a Mac model or a PDA model. This model look like a Mac model, like we kind of ranging. So okay, time of entry was around what 10:23. The oil was 730 opening high, session liquidity, and unfilled imbalance. There was imbalance at 500. Sorry, no imbalance, equal highs. Whether is equal, relatively equal highs. REX. Rating, I will rate as a 8 for it. Only because we took so much time to get inverse. I don't like this type of inversion. I like, even though don't like it, I'm taking this because it may or may not play out. Let me just remove this 1 minute FEG. Lower time frame, let's add this one. Let's add one more 5 minute. Okay. This. I need this out. Let's take the 4 hour. as our high time frame. Oh, we can just paste this here. Oh, great. Now let's 1 hour. Now it's more easier to do this. Let's put this 30 minutes here. So the day was, it's a Wednesday. Psych was average, and the inversion was not so strong, but the row rated for multiple IFEB confirmation. The stop pass IR best first grade. Again, this is perfect. Let's start here. New and top. February 1st, I started a new fund account. Previous month was pretty annoying. We blown our accounts. So we didn't trade. We tried demo on the last week of January. So let's see how the February goes. Yeah, I shouldn't have believed that will go all over here. So we also not saying we didn't FOMO in here. ഹലോ. ഞാനിപ്പോ പോവാ, നിങ്ങൾ പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചു. ഇല്ല, അവൻ വരുമല്ലോ, ഞാൻ അങ്ങോട്ട് പോവാ. നിങ്ങൾ പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചു, ഞാൻ വന്നോളാം. ഞാനിപ്പോ പോവും അമ്മ, ഞാനിപ്പോ ഇപ്പൊ ഒരുങ്ങാൻ പോവാ, ഒരുങ്ങിട്ട് പോകാൻ പോവാ, 9:30 വരാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേക്കുന്നത് അവനോട്. Okay, that's a stream. Let's mark it as a close. Okay, reach and stream. Okay.